This is automatic with the SoFi credit card. You earn 2% back in points on every purchase. Enabling, it is really about ensuring you redeem for the full value. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. As covered in script number 2, you earn points just by using the card. To get the full 2% cashback value, you must redeem your points for eligible options: statement credit, into SoFi Invest, or toward a SoFi loan. You can redeem manually anytime in the credit card rewards section, or set up auto redeem to do it automatically every month. My crucial pro tip: redeem into a SoFi Invest account for potential growth. Instead of just taking a statement credit, consider automatically redeeming your points into a SoFi Invest account. This turns your cash back into an investment, which could grow over time, effectively making your reward rate even higher than 2%. Optimize your rewards by choosing the redemption that aligns with your biggest goal. Would you rather have immediate cash back or invest your rewards for the future? For more guides on reward strategy, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.